What? Fruits and vegetables? Carrot? Broccoli? I'm not gonna eat this. You eat this. Oh, Max, I know. Let's go to the farm. I'll tell you about fruits and vegetables and how they benefit the body.
Cool!
Max, let's harvest. Okay, I'll harvest cabbage and tomatoes. And I'll get cucumbers. It's necessary to eat fruits and vegetables because they contain very useful vitamins, which help people be healthy, strong, smart, and cheerful. The trailer went down!
Run!
I'll have to carry it with my hands.
Cool!
Potato, apple, grapes, pear, orange, corn, eggplant. Sophia, I got it. Oh, Max, look what a harvest we've gathered. Max, there are also animals that live on the farm. Come on, I'll show you. This is a cow. It gives milk. To produce it, cows eat grass and hay. We must milk the cow to get the milk. Now I understand where the milk comes from. This is a sheep. It gives milk too. Sheep also have warm wool. Warm clothes are made from wool, such as knitted hats, mittens, socks, and shoes. Good sheep. Thank you very much, sheep. Remember, Max, a lamb is a baby sheep. And a cow has a calf. Oh, I know who this is. This is a lamb. Max, do you want us to catch some fish? Of course I do! We will catch fish with a fishing rod. Oh, I got it! I got it too! Big fish, little fish, come on, come on! There is also poultry living on a farm. Max, these are cocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cocks. The cock crows very loudly. Yeah, very loud. These are 2 hens. Hens lay eggs. A little chick is going to hatch from this egg. We will put this egg back. Bye-bye. Sophia, look, a dog. Max, a dog guards the farm. So, Max, did you enjoy the farm? Yeah, I really did! Thank you, Sophia. Now I know that fruits and vegetables are very healthy for me.